Hey everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. We have another unboxing video for you today. So Wyatt's already assuming the video filming position here and getting into his sleepy pose. Zena's here. She's already on this side, closest to the treats, so she can get them at every possible moment. Can you say hi? Yes. So I've been gone all week and they're all wound up. Well, except for Wyatt now. But Zena's been all wound up since I got home. So I am so excited because when I got home, I had several boxes waiting for me, which makes me excited because that means I've got some content and videos to create for you all. And starting with Stitch Fix, because I was supposed to check out by yesterday. So we got to get this one done right away. So I think everybody's probably pretty familiar with Stitch Fix, but I'll run through it real quick. Styling service, 5 items. Keep what you love, send back what you don't. $20 styling fee comes off of anything that you keep. If you keep it all, you do get a 25% discount. You fill out a profile, you get a stylist, and hopefully they send you things that you love, right? You get a bag to send back anything you don't love. Easy, it goes U.S. Postal Service. You do get another envelope that has in it your notes from your stylist. You get pictures of your items with some outfit ideas for you. And you get your price sheet. So we'll go over all of that. And let's check out my bundle. Right inside the flap of the box as well, you will see, in case you're not sure what to do, it does tell you what to do next. Here is my bundle. Looks colorful. I see denim. Okay, so let's see what is in here. And it's all falling out. Okay. First up, what do we have? Something black. First up is by Goldray. Oh, and it looks like a little wrap dress. It's a very stretchy, comfy material. Almost feels like it must be a knit, but it almost feels like sweatshirt material. So it does have some gathers here on the side. It does look a little bit like a faux wrap, but it doesn't feel to be like it's attached. And then the crossover at the top, short sleeves. Yeah, that's nice. It's got possibilities. Next up, something in bright green by Vince Camuto. That's pretty. I think I have something similar in a bright pink. So this is a pretty blouse. This looks like maybe 3/4 sleeve. Does have buttons. I like the shade of this. That's a very pretty color. You like it, Susie? She's looking at me. Next up, something by Rainn. Looks like a top in a floral pattern. So that's nice. All right, I'm showing you the back actually right now. So this has this little lace and the cutout. And it's on a black pattern, black? It's a black background with pink and purples, greens, whites. And this is the front, the V-neck. So how is this back attached? Oh, it's just by 2 buttons in the back. And has the lace that crosses over a little bit into the front here. That's cute. Okay, next, I think this is another top. This one is by Loveappella. This is a halter style. Okay, that's the back again. This is the front with a little keyhole. The colors in this are very pretty. Pinks and purples and some yellow. Blues as well. Goes with my nail polish right now. That's pretty. It's a knit, so it's stretchy. And it looks like it's longer. Very nice. I'm almost always asking for longer tops. And last is a pair of jeans by Warp and Weft. And these look like, yes, so these are crops. They do have some stretch to them. They have a cuffed bottom. Wyatt, here's something. Those are cute. And let's see, there's no distressing. They're a lighter wash. Yes. Those have possibilities as well. So let's check out my Stylist Notes. My stylist has been Jess. Good, it still is Jess. Says, hi Laura, happy Fix Day. As always, I'm so excited to see your name pop up and have some fun pieces for you, including a new favorite of my own. Have you seen the Stitch Fix blog for the month? I don't think I have, actually. It says, check out the new pieces we have trickling in. As promised, I kicked your fix off with a new favorite piece of mine. The Goldray knit dress is so delightfully soft and light. I know you like pieces you can pack easily, and this one is perfect. It is a little low cut, so you'll need a cami for work, but it is so simple and chic. I'd love to hear what you think of the neckline. Thoughts? I'd love to know what you think of the neckline, though. Okay, sorry. I also pulled some skinny capris by Warp and Weft. I know you don't love florals, but I thought you would love the bold colors and edgy black detail on the Daniel Rainn. It's stunning for spring with the medium wash bottoms in this fix, or your white denim. Enjoy, XO Jess. Okay. And here's some ideas for how they tell you how to style these these items that they sent you. They sent me. Cena's getting loud here. All right, so let's get to the try on. I will be right back. Okay, so the first outfit is this little halter top, which I thought that keyhole went in the front. It doesn't. It goes in the back, which is probably pretty good because it's kind of low. And the Warp and Weft crop pants. So that's the first outfit. So this top is actually very nice. It might be a little bit big on me, but I might be able to make it work. It has a lot of very pretty colors in it, and it's nice and long, which is my preference. I like that it has the two different patterns going on here, so I don't think that they are conflicting with each other. They seem to blend pretty well, and I do actually like the colors. It is kind of low, though, on the sides for me. I wish this was a little bit higher, and this is what I mean about it. I think it's actually probably too big for me, and I believe this is an extra small. You can see in the back it has the keyhole. So this is the top, and then the crops are true crops with the cuff. I think, yeah, it is stitched, so you can't unroll them or uncuff them. But they have some nice stretch to them. They do fit well. They're probably a mid-rise, and they're nice and comfortable. So I have no complaints. I just put them on with flats because I think this would be a nice weekend outfit. I do like it. I just wish this wasn't so low on the sides. And get a little bit closer. All right, we'll do another outfit. Okay, next up is the Daniel Rainn top, and it does have this see-through lace here at the top part of both sides, which does come around to the back, and then has that opening with the two buttons here at the top. So hopefully you guys can see that. And then it is a V-neck. It also is nice and long, so Jess is listening to me about the longer tops, and I feel this is a very pretty top. So I know she mentioned I don't always like florals. I'm actually starting to like them much more. I do like the blue in this with the blue in the denim. I think this is a much better fit under the arm. It might be slightly big, but much better than that other top. This one is also an extra small. So this would be the smallest size I could get, but I do think this is a much better fit. And I actually do like this top. I think this is a pretty top. It's a stretchy material, but it's not laying boxy on, which is nice. And it also looks very nice with these crops. So I'll show you the back. So what do you guys think of this one? This would also be nice under jackets if you didn't mind covering up the back. But it would be nice for a day-night look. You could wear this to work with a jacket and then go out after work, take off the jacket. Be nice in the summer. All right, next top. Okay, last top is the Vince Camuto blouse, which is an awesome color. I'm loving this color. So bright and cheery, great for spring. It is a little bit longer in the back than it is in the front. Has this great V, but not too low. It is a not quite long sleeve, so it's like not really 3/4, but it is above my above the wrist a little bit. So I think this is a nice blouse for underneath jackets. It'd be good to tuck into a skirt. I could probably try a front tuck with this and see what that looks like. It's nice and dressy, or you can wear it casual. I like how the longer it is in the back. I think that's a cute look. You could put on a belt for some additional color if you wanted to. Be cute with leopard, a leopard pattern. I stuck these little sandals on I got last year with the hibiscus and the palm tree on it, since the greens matched. So I think it was a cute choice. I'll be curious how much it is. Vince blouses tend to be pricey, so yeah. It was a cute choice. I'll be right back. The last item is the dress. All right, last item is the little LBD, and one of my very favorite things is a little black dress, and this one is awesome. So I know that Jess said it was one of her favorite items as well. So she was worried about the neckline. I think I bumped Wyatt, made him move. So I don't actually think this neckline is too terrible. If I were to be wearing it to work, maybe I would put something underneath it. But I think it'd be more if I was going to be bending over or something. It might be a concern. But I think it's okay. It's actually being held in place over here on the side, so it doesn't feel like it's going to move open or anything. So it seems decent. It has ruching and gathering here on the side, which I think gives it a nice look. And then it has this extra piece that hangs asymmetrically, I guess, off to the right. I like it. It's made out of a very, very soft fabric, which makes it very comfortable. It would travel and pack very well. And I think it creates a great silhouette. Yeah, see, it's attached very well over here, so it's not going to slip open as you move. So I'll move back so you can get the full picture. I think it's a really nice dress. I do think it could be worn for work or for casual, and it would be great for travel. You could dress this up with heels. I just left these casual sandals on for fun. So it'd be a great vacation dress. But you could really dress this up. So you could really amp it up with high heels if you wanted to. I like it. I think it fits really well. So I'll be curious to see how much it is. All right, so that takes us to the end of the try on, and I'll be right back to talk prices. So I thought Jess did really well with her choices this time around. Do you think it was a 5 for 5? Let's talk pricing. So I don't pay the $20 styling fee. I do the Style Pass, so you pay the one-time $49 fee for the year, waives your $20 styling fee. Every year, that $49 does come off of anything that you decide to keep, so that's awesome. So I do not have the $20 styling fee. If I were to keep everything inside this box, it was $328, and the buy all discount is 25% off for $82. Everything would be $246. So let's break it down. So the first item is the Warp and Weft Misty Cuffed Capri Skinny Jean. That was this item. I thought these were nice. They had great stretch to them. They're $88. That's pricey. So I liked them. I thought they fit well. They're a maybe. Let's see how everything else pans out. The Vince Camuto Marli blouse. That was the second most expensive item. These are actually, oh, I thought they were in order of price, but they're a little bit out of order. That's this one, $74. Second most expensive item in here. I also liked this. I thought it was very pretty. The color's gorgeous for spring. Nothing wrong with it. I really liked it. Next is the Goldray Blaise ribbed knit dress. $68. I loved this dress. Very, very comfortable, fit very well, and very versatile. I think you could wear it for just about anything, and I think it would pack well. So I'm leaning towards this being a definite yes. Next is the Loveappella Agather printed halter knit top. That was this one. So this one I felt was a little big. It's $44. So, well, I thought I could probably make it work. I feel like I'm going to be a little worried about those armholes being a little bit big. And the last item was the Rainn Fantine crochet detailed knit top for $54. I really liked this one. I thought it had great possibilities. I thought it fit well, and I liked the colors in it. So I'm inclined to want to keep this one as well. So I feel like this would have been a 5 for $5 if the halter top would have fit a little bit better. So I'm not sure what to do. Do I just pick out the dress? I don't know, just keep the dress. Do I, yeah, and this is rayon and spandex, so it's not like I think it's going to shrink or anything. Oh, and I had to try to decide right away, so I'm really not sure what to do. $246 if I keep everything. So, I need your help. What were your favorite items? Did you love everything? Did you have a favorite item? Please share with me in the comments below. I would love, love, love to hear. I will list all of these items down below. I will put my referral link to Stitch Fix in case you would like to give Stitch Fix a try. I do go back after I've decided what I keep and what I return for all of my boxes. I do go back and update it and put next to each item kept or returned, just so that you know. So thank you so much for joining me and my sidekicks today. We really appreciate it. Hope you hit that like button, and hope you continue to join us and hit that subscribe button. And for those of you who've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. We so appreciate it. Zena is looking for the treats. Wyatt is asleep. Can anyone say goodbye? It doesn't look like it. We'll wake Wyatt up, huh? Since you didn't participate before. Till next time, everyone. Have an awesome, awesome day. Bye.